Right now, there is no true model for what media is. Is it Pro Writer and a paper magazine that comes out every 2 months? 104 page, 108 page package that shows up and it's recapping old news, and you occasionally get to see your club in there and go, hey, I made it into the magazine. Okay, cool. That's always fun. Don't get me wrong. I spent 10 years of my career printing, in the print magazine business. All right. There's nothing like having having a picture of you next to your hero and a copy of Hot Rod Magazine. Ask me how I know. So, anyways, well, the old way was, whether it was any magazine, was if you had a business, the way you got the name out for your business and your products was to put it in whatever magazine, whether it was jet skiing or hot rods or guns or airplanes or whatever. All right. And if they wanted to advertise, if Riva Racing wanted to get their name out, they had to advertise in a paper magazine. All of a sudden, digital comes out. And they go, what? How do I advertise on digital? I go, real easy. This is how it works. Oh, okay. Well, let's do that. So I start cranking out articles about their products or about the new thing that they're doing. They have ads that match whatever article is going to come out. And all of a sudden, the reader opens up his phone, sees the latest article from the Watercraft Journal on Riva's air filter kit, and you go, oh, man. And you read all about the air filter, and then there's a video to watch, and then you scroll down further, and there's the ad with the price on it, and you go, boop, and it takes you right over to their website, and you go, PayPal. And now you've ordered your air filter. So that has changed how media works, all right? If you want, as a content creator, to be a vehicle for your sponsors to make sales, you need to figure out a way to present yourself as a problem solver for them. You reach out to Riva Racing and say, I know I can mobilize my viewership to buy your products, and this is how I'm going to do it. You present them a problem, and then you immediately present them a resolution to that problem. I see that you guys are lacking in this group, and I have exclusive access to this group of people who would really be receptive to your product. Let me facilitate that for you. That's how you become a successful sponsored spokesperson. All right, is to present a problem and then immediately provide a solution. And all they have to do is pay you to do it. Sign me up. That's how it works. That's how I work. That's how most anyone who's got half a brain, that's how they get it to work. Okay, great. Sounds easy, right? Wrong. Because some people do not know what the company may or may not lack or need. So if you come up to Sea-Doo and you go, oh, Sea-Doo, you guys are absolutely missing the boat. You need to talk to this group of people, and I have access to this group of people. And they can look at you and they go, oh, yeah? How much do you want to get, to be a spokesperson for Sea-Doo to do that? Oh, well, you got to pay me $1,000 a week. And they'll go, okay, yeah, we'll get back to you. And then they do their due diligence and they go, we're already talking to that audience. This guy's a clown. And they will never call you back. All right? You need to be able to be easier to work with, offer a better product, offer better service. If you do those things, you're in golden. All right? Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.